before I get you out of here, what I'm going to request from you is a crazy muscle medley before you go.
Bad man talk already and we not talk again. Boy, if you don't know, mark you down 10. Copper shot me get to all the informer them. Where your enemy and I pose up like friend, then go trouble me peace. And a war it come to. War start, you not know if you run to. Big thing, me boss me not afraid to confront you. Member mostly go and dump you, you punk you. What they are looking for couldn't be peace, I must be war. Them fling stone and scratch me car, me bomb down Zanzibar. Because me lend out me mercy, me no get it back yet. You this merciless will at it. Tell them say me give away me pity. Destroy a city. Check say you drop me and make. You ever be like a shot out of 1 cent. You know, say muscle a war president make one pop out a bicycle bar yet. Make police where run left them chariot. You ever rub out a serial number. When you little make gun out a lumber. You ever hile gun with machine lube yet. Bury your gun in a car tire tube yet. Hold it.
What's the clock?
Bossy. Listen, that's the Merciless that we know, that lyrical genius, mad when it comes to rhymes, boss. Epic, epic conversation.
Bossa.
Mm-hmm.
That one you name 1 little, 2 little, 3 little handgun, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little magnum, 7 big, 8 big, 9 big shotgun. Me kill them and done. Number 1. Bad man no play number 2. 3 run from the 4, 5, 6 get slow. Kill 7 when me squeeze it from the tech 9. Mac 10 and Mac 11 I go cripple them spine. 12 gauge shotgun me use murder 13. I innocent bystander age 14. Bushmaster it name AR-15. Same style and design like the M16. One in the chamber it will 17. From me at 18 me buy me first Glock 19. Now friend them. All the girls them and bend them. Cause me can't go give a bad man million and nothing for the girls them. When I mean the girl them gizzarda. Be a sexy girl me a crown and a sada. The girl them a say me out a harder. And no stop me take it off of me father. Well, long time me a whole jealous. Me and the girl them never yet in a malice. Got a ton load of girl in a me palace. Office send the one action go call Alice. Because I hear this boy, I go round and I tell girl say that him a big turner. When muscle check it out and we hear from the shout, the boy is a big one burner. Well, we hear the boy a boss and I say him control Dan and him rule Myrna. And just the other day I get to learn from Faye that the boy still a learner. Girl them say they want me from the first minute they saw me them. Call me out so tell me say them honey. Then text it for me, lift me up and carry me. They strip me naked and take pencil and draw me. Them put a claw me fi bite me up and charm me. Said nobody can walk them better me. Me pro them land and farm me. If it and betani. I know that. A girl come check me, said she want do some research. In a me lap, she never hesitate to perch. All you hear at Jesus Christ me coming, then she start one bag of home and you that swear me bedroom turn in a church. She come check me Sunday morning about 7. We never done fornicate till about 11. All you hear at Jesus Christ me coming, then she start one bag of home and you that swear so that she want to go to heaven. Me feel her up, but not with the Holy Ghost. Start repent, so me tell her to hold the post. Praise the Lord and scream until she was. Confess, say Leonard she love the most. Drop asleep, you that thing say she overdose. Wake up and cook me scrambled egg and toast. For the lunch, she will follow me go coast to coast. So no feel like say a boss, I a boss. You think of that? No girl can't take man for clown. And no girl can't take man for saps. You think me a buy girl liquor all night and she gone and me don't get a slap? Make sure when me buy your Baileys, in your belly me I go sing my tail. Take me money buy Moet and Crystal. You better know you have to shine up me pistol. You could have seizure or epilepsy. Me a walk out my rum and Pepsi.
Bossy. This is what the world has been waiting for. This is what the world missed. This is the level of entertainment, wordsmith, word skill that we're waiting for. Merciless, welcome back. Thank you so much.
Muscle.
Yes.
Well, I will never go to Mandeville, nor Montego Bay. But me will go to Galville and Galtigo Bay, cause bad man no stray. Me check a gal at St. Mary. Lord, she have to get slammed tonight. When some boy gone a Manhattan, me gone pan a Nashville flight. Me nah wear no clothes when me sleep on no mannequin. Queen size bed alone, me nah lay down pan no king. Nah drink no cock soup, me nah eat no mandarin, no mango, no jackfruit, no tune from no jimbilin. Hold it. Yes, sir.
Listen, where do you come from, Badman? How do you put together these type of work in your mind?
What's up? Well, Tyrone cannot call my iPhone. Nor Jerry cannot call my BlackBerry. Just leave that to Tamara, Dan, and Sherry, Kim Kardashian, or Halle Berry. Cause when Badman phone ring, y'all alone a call me. Now use my minutes fi call no guy. Now read no sex book. Me now fi watch blue movie. Cause when Badman texts her, she reply. Them not talk to woman. Them only talk to men. If a pure man a call you, you need a wife. Well, your fiancé call me. Says she broken hearted. About 10 gal phone muscle tonight. Now friend them. Only gal them and pen them. Pass the rope and me hang them. You know, worried in the building. Any boy that get no children, them are killed in.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.